So yesterday I was reading scripture, right? And something jumped out. The book of Judges, chapter 6, verse 6 says, "And the people of Israel cried out for help to the Lord." When the people of Israel cried out to the Lord on account of the Midianites, the Lord sent a prophet to the people. And something really jumped out. And the thing that jumped out was this: the people cried to God. They needed a solution. God sent a person, a human being, a prophet, as his way of helping people. There's some times where we are crying out to God, or people are maybe crying for a situation to be solved. And God now decides to place a burden on your heart. You wake up one day feeling like, I don't know why, but I think I should do this. I think I should do that. Guess what? You're disobeying that prompting. You're disobeying that burden. Could be that you are telling God no. And in that, people are going to look and see that God is unfaithful. But it's not that God is unfaithful. God put the answer to the problem in someone's heart. And the person now has to take the step of faith to go out and do what God has done and said, because in doing that, the solution to the people's problems are going to come forward. But now, when we are disobedient to what God is telling us to do, guess what? People don't see God's faithfulness. What has God placed on your heart? What has God told you to do? Because that thing that God has placed on your heart, that thing that He has told you to do, could be the solution to people's years and years of crying and asking God for help. Don't be disobedient. Get out there and do what you know you have to do, because people are waiting for you.